We're here at Home Depot showing you all of the best of the Ryobi Christmas tool deals for Christmas 22 here at Home Depot. We're going to show you all of the buy one get one tool deals. We've also got warnings on the Ryobi battery, so make sure you stick around so you don't miss it. So we're starting right off the bat here with the 10-inch sliding compound miter saw. Now this also has the LED cut line indicator as well on it, and this saw is $269. Now they've also got the HP, that's the high performance brushless 10-inch sliding compound miter saw kit as well. And this one is down to $249 from $399. And then if you want the big boy, they have the 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. And this one has an LED, and this one is $329, but they're not indicating that it's on sale. Now what I think makes this particular miter saw such a great deal is because right now if you buy this, you'll get this one free. I will put links to all of these Ryobi tool deals down in the video description for you. And if you use our links that go into Home Depot, you know, we get a little commission for our channel, so that helps us out. And we thank you for ordering your tools through our links. And by the way, this miter saw also comes free with the miter saw stand. This is why I always tell you, this is the best time to buy the saws, is at Black Friday and throughout the Christmas season at Home Depot and at Lowe's. Because typically you're going to find these kinds of buy one get ones when you're picking up miter saws. Now here is your 10-inch Ryobi table saw, and this is marked down to $189 from $229, and it's certainly cheaper than the rigid one next to it. Now the rigid one, of course, is a much better one. I have the older version of this one at home with the wheels and everything, but you can see how the rigid is an extra $100 or so. Well, it's just a sea of green here tonight, folks, and you know Shaka Gill is a good friend of our channel. You know he's going to come in here and say, oh, Ryobi's trash. So these are painted Shaka green. They're just for him. So they made a nice display here. So here you can see Ryobi is also doing buy one get one free tool deals. As we showed you the other day on our video, make sure you check our videos out where we showed you Milwaukee, all of their tool deals, and all of the DeWalt tool deals. They had multiple kits, as you can see. Milwaukee has 3 kits right there to choose from. Ryobi is only giving you 1 kit, and it's this kit right up here that if you buy this kit for $159, that's a hammer drill kit, then you get to choose any of these tools right here. So here's your kit that you would have to buy, and it's brushless. And by the way, it's the HP series, so it should be one of their upper models. And you got 2 2-amp-hour batteries in that kit, and a charger and a bag. So all of this here for $159. But if you buy this, you now get to choose from any one of these, like the Cirque saw. You've got, and remember, these are all the HP series. You got the multi-tool. This is probably the impact driver. Then you got the impact wrench, and you got the reciprocating saw. You've got the grinder. So you can choose from any one of those for free. Now I want to show you this deal. I'm still on the fence as to whether it's a good deal or not, but anyway, this is their high performance battery. It's the HP battery. It's a 4-amp-hour battery. This whole kit is $159, but it comes with this rapid charger that does a 30-minute charge. Now all I have at home is a few of the cheapy Ryobi chargers, so this is an interesting one, but I would still like to see this a little bit lower in price, I think. So now, supposing you don't want to do any buy one get ones, you just want to get a discount on some tools. So here, they've taken $100 off of that 6-tool kit up top, and the next kit down here in the middle is a 4-tool combo kit. It's $50 off, down to $159. And then they've got this deal with the 2 batteries, the $79 for the 2 4-amp-hour batteries, and they've also got $79 for the 6-port charger. Now it's a fast charger, but I'm pretty sure it's sequential and not all 6 being charged at once in parallel. So here's where I wanted to give you a warning about these batteries. I'm not sure I like the idea of these 4-amp-hour batteries here. $79 is not a bad price, but let me show you a better deal. Okay, so for $20 more, you can get these HP batteries over here on the right. So here's the $79 one, and here's the $99 one. So for $20 more, they're essentially the same size. But make sure, if you really had your heart set on these here, the high performance, make sure you look right where it says 4 amp hours. You see that right there? It says high performance batteries. This one right here doesn't say that. It just says lithium batteries. So you want to be careful to make sure you grab the right pack. Don't send somebody in to buy them for you that doesn't know what they're doing, because if this is the battery you want to make sure you get this one. Okay, some of the other deals they have here is for $89, you get to choose between any of these. This is the brushless drill driver right here, $89 down from $139. That's what it was originally. And they did the same thing here with the impact driver kit. Here's your impact driver right there. This is a cute little tool. I have this one at home. I think this is a pretty cool tool. This is their 3-inch cutoff tool. So this was $119 and it's down to $89. And they've also got here the 18-volt, 3-gallon wet dry vacuum. So this is $20 off, down to $79. And I think in our Home Depot store here, this is probably the lowest price you're going to find on a cordless wet dry vacuum anywhere in the store, $79. There simply isn't anything else here. Yeah, so for Christmas 2022, this Ryobi wet dry vacuum is probably the best deal for the vacuums right now. Now for $14.97, you can choose between this 22-piece titanium drill bit set, or you can get this 70-piece impact drive bit set, which has a lot of the Torx bits on there. You got some squares, flats, Phillips, everything. Some adapters, magnetic. And of course for $99, there's the batteries that we just showed you. The 2-pack of the high-performance batteries. And then you have here this 2-tool combo kit. So you could get this one for $99 as well. However, I do not believe this is a brushless kit. Okay, now here's where the real low prices are here for Ryobi. Okay, so here we have a 1/2-inch drill driver kit, and this kit is down to $79 from $99. And they got a vacuum here that's $69 down from $79, only $10 off. But check out this score right here. This is pretty much 50% off. The router, man, I don't think I've ever seen a cordless router for $49 like this. From Ryobi, man. Cordless router, $49. Can't go wrong there. And look, they've even got a kit here. They claim it's a $100 value, but it looks like it was $69.97 on sale for $39.97. This is a 15-piece router set. I can't vouch for how good these router bits are. Hey, this one right here I think is another good score. This is the simultaneous charger kit from Ryobi. So it comes here with a battery right here, simultaneous charge. However, I don't think it's a rapid charger. I would love to get one that's a rapid charge, but it is a dual port. It will charge them both at the same time, and it's $69 plus you score another battery. Now Ryobi is also running some deals here for $59.97. You can choose from the Bluetooth speaker, which is right there, or you can get their hybrid 20-watt LED work light. And they've also got $20 here off of the multi-tool. So right here is our recip saw, and then the LED spotlight. So any one of these you want for $59.97. Okay, now checking out the nailers here for Ryobi. We have the 18-volt 3/8-inch crown stapler, and this is $69, down from $89. So usually we find with nailers, you don't get much off, anywhere from $20 to $40, no matter who the brand is. And man, do they have a boatload of these. This is the Airstrike 18 gauge. I own this one. I like this one. I have it, and I've used it on a few jobs, and it does a really good job driving in those 18 gauge brad nailers for doing baseboard, and I've done some door moldings with these as well, with this one. Because sometimes I just get lazy. I don't want to drag my compressor around with me. And there's your price on this, down from $139. It's just a sea of green, folks. So when I'm looking on the back of this display, you can see how it was originally when they first set it up. It was, see, $99 for the charger instead of $69. And all of these deals were $79. Instead, most of them are lower now. This one is still $79. Now, if you want some really good stocking stuffers here, you got the 40-piece drill and impact set here, which actually has a few spade bits in there too. $9.97. Or you can choose from this 40-piece impact drive bit set from Ryobi. This is one tool you will absolutely love. I'll put a link to it down below. We don't have it here in this store. It's not on the display that Ryobi set up in here, but this is a great little tool. This is a power cutter. I have the Works version of this. This plugs in and charges by USB. It's got a built-in lithium battery. I think it's a little bit on the pricey side. I think the Works one was $39 when I bought mine, but hey, not bad. This will slice through cardboard like you wouldn't believe. So if you got to cut cardboard or really thin carpet, this is a great tool to have. Hey, and be sure to check your clearance section, because a lot of times we find a whole bunch of Ryobi drills here. We buy a lot of Ryobi drills and accessories here at Home Depot when they're in the clearance section, and we give them away on our channel as a tool giveaway. So you've seen us do that last year as well. Well, that was a boatload of Ryobi deals here tonight, huh? Well, anyway, thank you so much for joining us, folks, and we'll see you on the next one.